Dialogue 1. Child lost in the supermarket.
I can't find my child.
Please stay calm. We will help.
He was beside me before.
When did you notice he left?
Just 1 minute ago.
What is he wearing today?
A red shirt and blue pants.
Any special mark or item?
He has a small yellow backpack.
Good. That helps a lot.
I'm really scared now.
I understand. Breathe slowly, please.
Can we search quickly?
Yes, we start right now.
Where do we check first?
Let's go to the toy aisle.
He loves toys very much.
Many lost kids go there.
I hope he is okay.
We will find him soon.
Is security informed already?
Yes, they are looking too.
Do you see him anywhere?
Not yet. Let's walk further.
Maybe he went to snacks.
Good idea. Let's check.
I don't see him here.
Let's try the next aisle.
My heart is beating fast.
It's normal. Stay with me.
I should not panic, right?
Exactly. Stay focused, please.
Can you call his name?
Yes, I will call loudly.
I hear nothing back.
He might be shy or scared.
Maybe he hid somewhere.
Children do that often.
Should we check near the cashiers?
Yes, let's go there.
I still don't see him.
Let's try customer service.
Okay, lead the way, please.
It's right around the corner.
Do they make announcements?
Yes, they can call his name.
Let's do that now.
I'll ask them immediately, and
I hope he hears it.
kids usually respond fast.
I'm waiting but nervous.
That's very understandable.
Did they call already?
Yes, they just did.
Should we wait or search?
Let's search a bit more.
Maybe he is near the fruits.
Yes, let's check there.
Oh, wait. I see someone small.
Where? Show me, please.
Near the apples, the red apples.
I see him now too.
Yes, that is my son.
Let's go to him.
Sweetie, are you okay?
Yes, Mommy. I'm fine.
Why did you walk away?
I wanted to see fruits.
You scared me a lot.
I'm sorry, Mommy.
Stay close next time, okay?
Yes, I promise.
Thank you so much, sir.
You are very welcome.
I really appreciate your help.
I'm glad he's safe.
I feel so relieved now.
You did great staying calm.
We can go home now.
Have a peaceful day.
Dialogue 2. Phone fell in water.
Help! My phone fell in water.
Calm down, we can fix this.
It was in my pocket.
How long was it underwater?
Maybe 10 seconds.
Okay, that's not too long.
It's starting to flicker.
Turn it off immediately.
Done. It's off.
Good. Don't touch buttons.
Should I shake it?
No, water goes deeper.
Oh, wow. I almost did.
It's okay, you're stressed.
It's dripping water now.
Wipe it gently, nothing strong.
I'm scared it's dead.
Many phones survive this.
The screen looks weird.
That's normal after water.
What do I do next?
Remove the case first.
Case is off now.
Good. Remove the SIM too.
Done. Everything removed.
Great. Now dry the slots.
With paper towel?
Yes, but be gentle.
Okay, drying slowly.
Perfect. Keep going.
Should I use a hair dryer?
No! Heat destroys phones.
Good thing I asked.
Yes, you saved it.
I feel a little calmer.
Good. I'm here with you.
What about rice trick?
Yes, that helps a lot.
I have rice at home.
Great. Grab a big bowl.
Bowl ready, rice inside.
Good. Now bury the phone.
Phone is under the rice.
Good. Now close the bowl.
It's closed tightly.
Leave it for 24 hours.
That long? Really?
Yes, for best results.
I hope it works later.
Many phones came back.
My whole life is inside.
I understand. It's scary.
What if it doesn't turn on?
Then a shop can fix it.
A repair shop?
Yes, water damage repair.
Will it be expensive?
Sometimes, but not always.
I'm worried about photos.
Maybe they're still safe.
I didn't back them up.
Next time you should.
I know, I regret that.
Don't worry now. Breathe.
You're very calm.
Someone has to be calm.
True, I needed that.
You're doing great.
What do I do meanwhile?
Just wait and relax.
That's hard for me.
I know, but try.
Should I check the phone?
No, don't touch it.
Okay, I will wait.
Good. Trust the process.
Thank you for helping me.
Always here for you.
I hope tomorrow is good.
It will be fine. Trust me.
Dialogue 3. Keys locked inside the car.
Oh no, I locked my keys inside the car.
Stay calm, Nina. We can handle this situation.
I can see the keys on the seat.
That happens often. Don't worry too much.
I feel really stupid right now.
No, it happens to many people daily.
How do we open the door safely?
First, let's check all the doors carefully.
I tried them all. They're fully locked.
Okay, then let's check the trunk.
The trunk won't open either.
All right, we'll try another simple method.
Is there a way without breaking anything?
Yes, many ways exist without damage.
I really hope that is true.
Trust me, stay calm and focused.
Should I call a locksmith immediately?
Maybe, but let me try something first.
What are you going to try?
I'll check if a window is slightly open.
Good idea. Let me check that side.
And I'll check the other side.
My window is fully closed.
Same here. No luck yet.
Maybe we should call help now.
Yes, that might be necessary.
Do you know any locksmith nearby?
Yes, there's one 5 minutes away.
Should I call him right now?
Yes, call and explain everything clearly.
He said he can come quickly.
Great. How long will he take?
He said maybe 15 minutes.
Perfect. That's not too long.
I feel more relaxed now.
Good. You're handling this well.
I hate waiting in emergencies.
I know, but you're not alone.
Thank you for staying with me.
Of course, I'm always here.
Do you think the car is safe here?
Yes, it's a busy, safe area.
I hope nobody tries to touch it.
Don't worry, I'm watching it.
I keep looking at the keys inside.
Don't stress, help is coming soon.
I hope the locksmith is skilled.
He is very good and careful.
Can he open it without damage?
Yes, he uses special safe tools.
That makes me feel much better.
Great, you can breathe normally.
Oh, I think I see his truck.
Yes, that should be him arriving.
He's walking toward us now.
Let's tell him the whole situation.
Hello, my keys are inside the car.
No problem. I'll open it safely.
How long will it take you?
Just 3 to 4 minutes.
Really? That fast?
Yes, this model opens easily.
I feel so relieved already.
Relax, I'm starting now.
Wow, he's working quickly.
Yes, he knows what he's doing.
The door just clicked.
That means it's open now.
I can't believe it's done already.
Here you go, the door is open.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. Glad to help.
I'm so relieved right now.
See? Everything went well.
Thanks for staying with me today.
Of course, I wouldn't leave you.
I'll be more careful next time.
Yes, but don't blame yourself.
Let's go home now. I'm exhausted.
Yes, let's finally relax.